Now, the reason you struggle with I don't know what to post isn't because there is nothing to say. It's because you're not asking the right questions. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT to create mind-blowing content for your business. Let's get right into it. I went ahead to enter the prompt on ChatGPT and tweaked it to have the specifications I wanted, and voila, 20 amazing personalized content ideas. So here is the trick. If you want highly engaging and personalized content ideas, you need to give ChatGPT the right details. First things first, be super clear about your niche. Instead of saying, I sell food stuff, for example, say, I help busy professionals access fresh, affordable food stuff easily. The more specific you are, the better. Number two, tell it your content style. Do you love storytelling, talking head videos, behind the scene clips, or any kind of content at all? Be specific about the content style you want, and ChatGPT is going to implement it. Ensure that you describe your audience. Are they students, moms, small business owners? The more details, the more relatable your content will be. Next one is mix up your content. Don't just say, create 20 content ideas for me. Ask for growth content to keep your followers, to attract followers rather, and community content to keep them engaged. Always make your content ideas fun and valuable. So instead of just asking for content ideas, say, give me 10, 15, or 20 fun ways to teach about food preservation. Now remember, I'm talking about for a food business. You can tweak it to suit your niche, okay? This is the exact strategy I use to generate content ideas without overthinking. Now let's tweak your ChatGPT prompts in the comments. See you.